What's going on, everyone? California has been at the forefront of cannabis legalization since 1996, and 2024 and 2025 brought some major changes you need to know about. Let's get into it. Cannabis cafes are here. The biggest news, Amsterdam-style cannabis cafes are now legal in California. Governor Newsom signed Assembly Bill 1775 in September 2024, and it went into effect January 1, 2025. Licensed cannabis lounges can now serve non-alcoholic food and drinks, think coffee, sandwiches, snacks, and host live entertainment like concerts and performances. This is huge for the social cannabis experience. But here's the catch: it's up to local governments to allow them. Cities like West Hollywood and Coachella have already embraced these establishments, while places like San Francisco are still working out their regulations. Employment protections. If you use cannabis off the clock, you now have job protections. Assembly Bill 2188 went into effect in January 2024 and makes it illegal for employers to fire or refuse to hire you just because you test positive for non-psychoactive cannabis metabolites. Basically, if you smoked over the weekend, your employer can't punish you for it on Monday. There are exceptions, though. Construction workers, federal employees, and anyone subject to federal drug testing rules are not protected. Now, let's talk taxes. On July 1, 2025, California's cannabis excise tax jumped from 15% to 19%. Combined with local taxes, some consumers were paying up to 48% in total taxes. The industry warned this would push people back to the illegal market. But there's good news. Governor Newsom signed AB 564 in September 2025, rolling the tax back down to 15% starting October 1st. That rate is now locked in until at least June 2028. Other changes. A few more things worth mentioning. Terminally ill patients in hospitals can now legally use medical cannabis, thanks to SB 1511. The state also created a new combined activities license that lets businesses handle multiple cannabis operations at one location, simplifying the licensing process. So that's the current state of cannabis in California. Cannabis cafes are opening up, workers have more protections, and taxes are back down to 15%. It's still the most developed cannabis market in the country. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.